Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel PMN Online. So, in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys the correct, simple method on how to create a single-page template in Elementor, the Elementor plugin for your WordPress site. This technique is absolutely fundamental for quickly reusing the same design across multiple pages. Without further ado, let's dive right in and learn this Elementor template saving process. Step 1. Prepare your page for template creation. The idea here is we first want to make sure that we're logged into our WordPress site as an administrator. We will start by creating a new page and then designing the layout we want to save. In your WordPress dashboard, hover over the option that says Pages, and you'll see an option right away that says Add New Page. When you click on Add New Page, give your page a clear title. Click the Edit with Elementor button to launch the site builder. Step 2. Design a single page layout. Here we have the actual page that we get to configure using the site builder. As you can see, it starts as a blank canvas. Start designing your desired page structure using Elementor's drag and drop interface. You can add sections, text, images, and buttons. You could simply start from a blank page and add your own layout, or you can insert a pre-made template from the Elementor library. The goal is to build the exact layout you want to reuse. Step 3. Saving the layout as a reusable template. Once your single page design is complete, saving it as a template allows you to instantly insert this layout onto any other page on your site. This is how you save an Elementor page as a template. Find the Save Options button. It's the small arrow pointing up next to the green Update button. Click on the up arrow and select Save as Template. A pop-up window will appear. Give your template a recognizable name. For example, let's say Client Testimonial Layout or Lead Gen Page Template. Click Save. Step 4. Reusing your saved template. Here we are. Now we have a template saved to your Elementor library that you can use anytime as a starting layout for any new page you create. This drastically speeds up your workflow and ensures site consistency. To reuse this template, create a new page or edit an existing one. With Elementor, click on the folder icon, Add Template in the main editor area. Go to the My Templates tab. Find the template you just saved, for example, Lead Gen Page Template, and click Insert. The entire layout, structure, and styling will load instantly onto the new page. Hopefully this video helped you guys understand how to save and reuse page templates in Elementor. Now do a favor for us. If you want to show your support, like the video and subscribe to our channel PMN Online.